Hello everyone, I am Rajath. I will be presenting the demo on my project, that is geo marketing, and the project name, that is location market, and we will be explaining how the app works. So what you are seeing in the screen is the home page of my vendor login. This is the web interface, and the one with the consumer is the Android application. So how it works, let me explain. So this is the home page of our application. That is the web interface. It is in the local host right now, and initially, as the shopkeeper or any shop members, they can register with the website. So we use the sign up option here, and the sign up option, it will ask for your location. You should give a allow location access here, so that our database can take the latitude and longitude values. So after confirming the location, it will give you a message with your location has been recorded, please fill the form now. So we want to fill the form right after the location has been recorded, and email should be provided, password, and you should confirm the password. There are some criteria for the password. It should be minimum of 6 characters. We have validated everything. Shop name, and we can give the shop type like electronics, and use control for multiple selections. And after using it, you give the mobile number, license number of the shop, GSTIN number, and the address, and submit. After you submit, the database will be recorded with the given values, and you can click the login after registering at this page. I have already registered, so I will use the login here page. You can click here, and it is the vendor login page. Here we can log into our interface, that is the dashboard, where the vendor can add products, delete products, and he can do much of the things. So let's see how it works. So I have provided the email, and now I will give the password, and we can log in successfully, and we have logged in. Welcome. The email of the vendor is given here, and at the top of here, at the top of the interface, there is a dashboard where we have several other options for the vendor. So add product, update product, remove product, and billing. Billing is the exclusive option for the vendor. So what are the products taken by the consumer is given in the billing, so that invoice can be printed. So initially we can see what is add product. So click on add product, and here the vendor should add what all the products he have in his shop, so that it is recorded in the database. What all product is given in the database will have, if we type for example, in the database it is already there some product like fast track. If I give F, the fast track brand or the watch brand will be appeared automatically from the database. So product name, so we can give the product name like, see, if we give W fast track watch, it will be automatically fetched by the database. And weight, quantity, and price of the product can be given in this add product view. And we can also clear the forms using the reset button. So add product will add the products in the shop. So we will go back to the dashboard and update product. Here the products which are there in the shop will be there, and we can use, see, these are the for example, we have 3 products now. We have added 3 products, and we have update options above it. So we can use update, and we can only update the price and the quantity, so that price of the sometimes the price of the product may differ, and quantity also. So price can be changed, or the quantity. So if I change the quantity to 30 and update, it will be updated successfully. Update successful message will be occurred, and you can see that I have updated to 30 the quantity, and it's showing in the database right now, and in the interface also. So this is how update product works. This is like stock inventory. We check the stock and update the stock and remove. We can also remove some of the products which is not available, or see, these are the products we have also seen in the update product, and here also we can remove it as per our convenience. So for example, there is a brand like Param, we can remove it by clicking on remove. Removal successful, the message has been shown, so click on OK. You can see the product has been removed successfully. This is how the remove product and the exclusive billing information or invoice generation can be printed here in the billing column, and it goes to our exclusive invoice system. And I have created one invoice already, so it is showing invoice number and invoice date, receiver name, invoice total, PDF, edit, delete. So to create a new invoice, we can click on create, and it will automatically generate a new random invoice number in this create invoice, and enter the receiver name. Like for example, I will Arun, enter the billing, Surya, and I will automatically what are the stocks present in the database will be appeared here. Like see what I Patanjali shampoo 10, it will be there in the database, and if we type a single letter, it will capture from the database, and it will be entered in the form. Now what is the quantity? 1. Price, I will give what the price for it. If we enter exclusive tax, the tax will be given. So there are 3 different tax, so that like GST, CGST, that percentage can be given in different here in the different 3 boxes. Now the total will be rupees 50, because one quantity and the price is 50. If we change the quantity to 2, and the actual amount will be 100, so 2 into 50, that will be regenerated. So rupees 200, quantity will be 2. So we can create the invoice. Before creating the invoice, we have to select the invoice date. We can change any invoice date. So I will select the 21st invoice date and create. Invoice will be created. So I have created a new invoice system. In this billing system, a new invoice or the billing has been created. Now we can print the bill. Like we can print the PDF in the PDF format, and it can be printed successfully. We can edit also. We can delete the invoice if the invoice has been invalid or something. So we can delete also. If you want to edit, we can edit the same, and we can give it to different. So we can edit also. Now for the instance, I will print it. So click on PDF. It will be downloaded. The PDF will be downloaded. So this is how the PDF will be, and this is the billing format. Item name has been provided, and the billing has been provided with every details of tax and billing provider, etc., invoice date, invoice number, everything. And we can print it through print option, and it will be given to the consumer for future purpose. And this can be used by consumer for seeing the tax and everything what he have purchased from the shop. So this is how our system of vendor interface works. The vendor interface is of web, and it will be in the vendor side, and shopkeepers will be using this system. We have also consumer application, which is of Android app that has been developed, and it has some map location abilities that will be explained further. So this is how our vendor application works, and this application is user friendly, and the interface is very simple, so that every shopkeeper can understand this. Thank you.